Hi, Denise here from Project Frugal. Vinny and I are just outside. We're doing a bit of a clean up outside. We're getting some vitamin D. Vinny's mowed the lawns and we've put the lawn clippings on top of this garden, which we've put on top of this cardboard that is a great weed mat. Yeah, and so just been pruning a couple of trees and just really enjoying our time outside.
So we've mowed this lawn here, and we've mowed this lawn here, and the cat is not helping. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day where we are today. This olive tree has started flowering. It is getting bigger and bigger. In this garden here, we've put down some cardboard and some lawn clippings. We're growing some artichokes, and down here we've got a little currant just starting up. This here is some old pallet wood with some more cardboard. We've got to get some more clippings to go on top of that. We'll put that on shortly. We've mowed up here, it's looking great. This here is 2 hazelnut trees which we've planted together. They've been here for about 5 years. They're starting to get nicely tall now and developing quite nicely. We've got some blackberry that we've got to get rid of. This is nasty prickly stuff. There used to be a path here, but it's all overgrown, so that's going to have to be trimmed back if we're ever going to use it again. This is one of our 3 apple trees. At the moment there's a couple of little apples on it. We need to learn how to prune this. Actually we got 4 apples there. We've got another 3 growing up the top here. And I'm sure there'll be some more coming up on these other branches as well. Oh yeah, there's another one, and another one. So this might be the best harvest yet. This area down here is purposely being built and built up, and we're going to plant potatoes in this area. This area here is just a rubbish pile. There used to be a glass house here, but maybe we can do something with it at some stage. I'd love to build a little shed maybe. I have no building skills whatsoever, but who knows, maybe one day I will. Our compost bins are looking rather full, but there's a lot of work to break down all of this stuff at the moment. Denise is just removing weeds out of the boysenberry bush. I'm sure the chickens will get to those before we do. There is a little fence around these rubber tyres where there's a whole bunch of strawberries flowering at the moment, so hopefully the chickens won't get to them. They probably will, but you never know, maybe we'll be in luck this summer. This is our biggest apple tree. We've done absolutely no pruning to it. We need to learn how to do some pruning, but it did produce fruit last year. Hopefully it'll produce a little bit more. And next to our apple tree we've got this beautiful peach tree which also needs to be pruned, but it has got some fruit on it. This has really come away in the last couple of weeks. This is our camellia bush. The chickens love sitting under here, but we've pruned it back just to give it a little bit more space. They'll make a big mess of this dirt pile here. Traditionally that's what they've done. They've just dug it up and wrecked it. Good at doing that. Here's our grapevine. Hopefully we'll get some grapes off this. It's yet to produce anything. The neighbours used to have a good one, but there's somehow got sort of cut down, so this will grow over time. We've got this massive mint patch over here. This needs to be mowed down. Look, we've got too much mint for what we need, and really it's doing nothing at the moment. It's not like we eat it. Oh look, and there's a chicken. Hello chicken. Hello. It's little Clucky. Little Clucky. Are you sitting on an egg? Here's the side of the house. This is where our main garden is, but this is to keep the chickens out. We've got a swag of currants on here. If you've ever seen our first video, Red Currant Jam, this is where they came from originally. So hopefully we get a bumper crop out of this. These bars here, this gate, that's to keep the chickens out, otherwise they'll demolish everything. And this lemon tree, not in the ideal spot, but it does have a good decent amount of lemons on it already. So how many we got there? Ooh, I'd say probably about maybe 15. That's better than nothing, and a whole bunch of flowers as well, so much more to go on this. Oh, chickens have got a friend, a little blackbird. And it's looking like I'll be up on the roof tomorrow doing some more repairs on it, doing some painting, but I need to clean the side of this, so I have to get the water blaster out and do some work on that. And there we go, let's dine.